how to activate Razer 7.1 surround sound. So if you want to activate Razer 7.1 surround sound, then I'm going to show you how you can activate it. So let's get started. First of all, you need to the search engine, any search engine, and search for Razer 7.1 surround sound. And this is the one that you need. And you'll be redirected to the interface of Razer.com. So you got to scroll down and then you will have an option of download now. First you need to accept and then just scroll down a bit and then you'll have an option of download now. Simply follow the wizard of installation process. When it's done, you need to restart your PC to finalize the setup. And next, you get to find the activation code. If you purchased eligible Razer headsets, they usually come with a unique activation key. For brand new headphones, look inside the product box. You'll find a small card that has your activation printed on it. If you bought your headset digitally, the activation key will be sent to your email inbox from Razer. Next, you're going to activate the software. After your system restarts, you need to open your Razer 7.1 surround sound program. Click on the Activate Now button and then type in your activation code into the provided box. Once you hit activate, the software will unlock the full 7.1 surround sound experience for your headset. Next, you're going to configure your audio output. To make sure the surround sound is actually being used, right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar, choose Sound Settings on your Windows 11 or Sounds on the older versions. Under the Playback tab, find the speakers and then Razer 7.1 surround sound. Click Set as Default, then press on OK to save your settings. Now you're ready to enjoy the cinematic 360 degrees audio in your games, movies, or music. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.